You know, some years back you needed hundreds of dollars, top-notch tech skills, and 10 plus hours a week to create a blog. But now, all you need is 1 hour a week and $0 to create high-quality blogs. So, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I start up my blogs to start making 1 to 10K plus per month. So, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is choose a niche. You need a proper niche that you're interested in and can make you money, because if you choose the wrong niche, something you don't like, you're probably going to give up and you're probably going to fail. I'm not trying to deter you or anything, but this is what's probably going to happen. So just choose a niche. It can be anything that you're interested in. This can be from coffee beans to technology, from cameras, TV, smartphones. It can be anything you want. Unicorns, it does not matter. You just need to make sure you choose a niche that you like blogging about the topic, and that can, you know, most niches can make you money. So just make sure you just choose a niche and we'll move on from there. Alright, once you put in some effort and thought about what niche you want to be in, it's now time for the most important step, in my opinion, because we all want to get paid for our efforts, and that is just choosing your affiliate program. There's a lot of affiliate programs, but some of the most popular ones is Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and Impact. These are pretty much, you just sign up and you can easily join them. But let's say you're in a weird niche about gaming or something. Well, that's not a weird niche, but let's say you want to be in that niche of gaming and you don't really see any gaming products that you want to promote from, like, you know, Amazon or Impact or anything. All you need to do is just come over to Google and type in your product that you want to promote. This can work for any niche. So let's say you want it to be a Fortnite. You know, you wanted to create content for Fortnite. Just come over to Google and type in Fortnite affiliate program. And as you can see right here, even Fortnite has an affiliate program. You can read it right here, and then you just click this or click wherever it is and sign up for that affiliate program. This works for anything. Like, let's say you want it to be in, you know, you like Target products, you want it to be in Target affiliate program, and sign up for it. Just come over to Google and just type in that as well. And as you can see, Target have one, the Target partner. So as you can see, pretty much everyone has an affiliate program now. So if you're curious about a certain brand or company, if they have one, just come over to Google and type it in so you can sign up for the affiliate program and start making that change. But if you're going to go with like the most popular ones like Amazon Associates, it's really easy to sign up for. Just come over to amazonassociates.com, hit sign up. You can even sign up with your regular Amazon account, so it's very easy to sign up for it. And let me show you how it looks when you sign up. So when you sign up, as you can see at the top of the screen, I have this bar right here. So this means I can promote any product on Amazon now. So let's say I wanted to promote a product, so I will just click on one like this humidifier right here. And now all I need to do to promote the item and get paid for it is get this link right here. And this link right here, I want to copy it. And let's say I have a blog post. I just need to insert it into the blog post now or anywhere I want to. And when someone clicks on it and they come over to Amazon and they buy it, I get a split commission of that. So that's pretty much how Amazon Associates work in a nutshell, and pretty much every other affiliate program. So once you are done with this step, it's time to move on to step 3. Or 4. Pretty sure it's step 3 though. Okay, the next step, you need to choose your platform now. And I got 2 free ones that you can choose from. And the first one is medium.com. This is by far my favorite when it comes to a free blogging platform. They allow you to create your blog for free and they get the traffic for you. So it's a W platform when it comes to free. So all you need to do is come over to medium.com and just sign up. And once you sign up, I'm already signed up, so I'm gonna log in. It's not that hard to sign up. It's just, you know, your basic information. This is what your homepage is going to look like. You have your blogs right here, but you don't really care about none of this. What you want to be doing is writing. We're going to go over how to create a blog post. Well, this is pretty much all you need to know is, you know, you just title this and, you know, add your picture and then add your blog post content. But we'll go over this later. So let's move on to the second blogging platform that's free that you can create on. And that is blogger.com. It looks a little outdated, but it still gets millions upon millions of visitors each month. So they still have enough traffic for you to start blogging on here. You can pretty much start it in any niche, but on blogger.com, in my opinion, it's way harder to grow on. It's gonna take some time, and I mean, like, I'm gonna say around 10 to 12 months to grow on here, so just know that. But once you grow on here, you can make a lot of money, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. You're probably gonna need like 100 to 150 blog posts to start growing on here, so just know that when you're picking this one. Or what you can do, what I do is I blog on Medium and Blogger. So I just put the same post on 2 different platforms. I do that as well. So you can either go Medium or you can go Blogger, or you can do both. All right, and it's now time to move on to the next step, and that is keyword research. This is very important too, because if you don't do it, you lose. You completely lose. You make no money. You're going to be wondering, why my blog post not growing? So make sure you pay attention to this step. Okay, let's say you pick Medium. You want to blog on Medium. It's really easy to do keyword research on here. As you can see, it's a lot of just on the homepage topics. This is topics. So like the first one, I've published AI generated content on my site. Here's what I learned. So let's see how good this blog post is doing. So you click on it and you can see it has 2.1K claps. This means that a lot of people are liking it. So what you can do is just go over this and see what they did right and just kind of just format it the same way. Don't steal their content or anything. Don't just copy and paste it, but you can format it just the same. So all you need to do is just go to the home page and just scroll through and see the different topics you like. Or if you just want to go and see a specific topic that you're in. So mine will be like affiliate marketing. So I will go to topics and click on affiliate marketing, and then scroll through all the recommended stories and see what's doing good. As you can see, this one has 2K claps and this one has just 2. So of course this one's not working, but this one is working. This one is working with 2.1K claps. So just scroll through all of them, see what's working, and just go through the blog posts and see what you can do right and what you can take from them. Okay, and if you're going to blogger.com route, it's a little different for keyword research. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Chrome Web Store, chromewebstore.com, and you need to get this extension. You just need to search up in a tool. You just need to search up Mozbar and then just add it to your Chrome. I already have it. So once you add it, they're going to take you to Moz.com. You need to make an account. It's just, your basic information. And once you signed up for the tool, all you need to do, it's going to be up here now. Just click on it so you can open it up. And now I searched up gaming chair. When you search something up, when you scroll and go to a website, it's going to have this PA and DA. Page authority is what PA stands for, and domain authority is what DA stands for. And what you need to be looking for is the domain authority. And what I like to do is aim for websites that have 25 and under for when it comes to keywords. So for the keyword gaming chair, you can see it'd be really hard for you to rank for. The higher the domain authority, the harder it would be to rank for. So you see it's 96, 93, 90, 80. All the ones in the top spots you won't be able to knock off because they just have such a high domain authority. So if you create a blog post around gaming chair and try to rank for it, you won't show up. So whatever keyword you pick, whether it be gaming chair, laptop, cooking, or skillet, whatever it is, you need to first search it up and see how hard it will be to rank for. It might take a minute to find a couple good keywords, but just keep searching them up and try to aim for ones that have a domain authority 30 or under. I would go max 30 or under. That shows you have potential to rank for that keyword with like a new blog. So when it comes to keyword research, that's pretty much the 2 tools I use, and it's not that hard to. Moz is free. Medium, you can just scroll through their website and it's free as well, so you don't have to pay any money. It just takes a little bit of time and effort, but once you do and put in that time and effort for keyword research, it pays off. It makes the difference between your blog post showing up first in SEO versus it's not, you making $0. So once you get your keywords, I will put it in a list so I know what I'm going to write about. So now that you have your keywords and you know exactly what you're going to write about, it's time to create them blog posts now. The winning blog posts. We did everything we needed to. We've got our niche. We picked what platform we want to. We did our proper keyword research. So now it's time for us to create the blog post. So all you need to do now is whatever keyword you pick is get it. And now what I like to do is use ChatGPT. Usually I use Jasper AI, which is a W tool for me. This is my go-to tool. They have a lot of templates that's already pre-made, and I just click on them and just put in the information I would need to use. But since this is cost money, which I think it costs like $50 a month or something, we're not going to be using this. We're going to be using the free ChatGPT. So let's go over to ChatGPT, and let's say whatever your keyword is, you have it copied, but first you want to put in this template right here. Write me a 10 blog post outline around the keyword, and then paste in your keyword and hit enter. And then ChatGPT is going to give you a 10-section blog post outline. So as you can see, this is our blog post outline. We got the introduction, fundamentals of Amazon dropshipping, factors influencing dropshipping income, and so on and so on. So just want to make sure, look over, make sure this is a good outline for your blog post. If it's not, you can try it again, because my keyword was, Amazon dropshipping salary. And then once you do, you want to have another tab open for ChatGPT, and then take this, copy just the introduction, and then go over to the other ChatGPT and paste this in and hit enter. And a lot of times ChatGPT, when you paste that in, it goes a little overboard. As you can see, you got definition and foreign popularity and all that. We didn't really need that. We just need the introduction. So for the introduction, just read over and make sure it looks all good. Take it, copy it, and then go over to medium.com or Blogger if you're using Blogger. Hit write, and then, oh, I almost forgot about the title. Make sure you title it. So I'm doing Amazon drop shipping salary, so I will make a title around that. Like, how much can you make with Amazon drop shipping? Simply, you don't have to have it too crazy. Just make sure when somebody comes across your post, they know exactly what they're going to get out your post before they click on it. And boom, that's my title right there. Now, all I need to do is just go and copy my story in. So now all you need to do is go to ChatGPT, and then, your blog post template is just keep going one by one, copy and pasting all of these, and then putting it over into the next slide of ChatGPT. And once you do all of this, you put it in to medium.com. So just finish up your blog post like that. Make sure it looks good. And then once you do this, we'll move on. Okay, so I just went through the blog post template and pasted it all in to medium.com. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's a great blog post telling you the effective pricing strategy, importance of customer reviews, calculating potential profits and everything. It's estimated profit margins. So it has a lot of good details when it comes to my keyword Amazon dropshipping salary. So just make sure you went over and it looks good and just relates to your keyword. And for you, if you have a product, let's say you wrote about a certain skillet or something, and you have found that skillet from, Amazon, make sure you get your link from Amazon again. Oh, I gotta close this out right here. So let's say this was the product you was promoting, this humidifier. Make sure you get your link right here, copy it, and then go back to medium.com. And then let's say you wanted to, for your keyword, have that link as this right here. All you got to do is highlight it, and then where it has this chain, click it, paste it. So now when you publish your blog post and someone comes across this link, as you can see, when we hover over it, we can even click it and it'll open it up and redirect us to Amazon, the product. So this is how whatever product you're promoting is going to do once you put in that link. And let's say people read your blog post and they like whatever product you're promoting, click on it, and then boom, you get paid when they buy it. So just make sure you add them links. That's very important. You can add in as many you want over any certain amount of text or any length that you want. And that's all there is really to it. As you can see, it did not take us that long to create this blog post as well. So that's it for this step for creating a high quality blog post. It's not that hard at all. All right, and that right there is how you can start up a blog for completely free using either Medium or Blogger.com. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you're able to start up a successful blog. And make sure you create, I would say, at least every other day at max, like bare minimum 2 blog posts a week. I do one blog post a day, and it takes me around 45 minutes to create the blog post and then upload it to all my social media accounts that I'm uploading it to. So it doesn't take that much time at all, because when I've been blogging for some years, and back in the day, it took you around 10 hours just to create one decent blog post for that week. So for me, this is incredible. I create 6 blog posts a week. I take Sunday off, and this is just an amazing tool using ChatGPT and like Jasper AI to create high quality blog posts. So I hope you're able to get out here and create you a nice blog post that start making you some decent cash. So good luck in your journey, and until next time.